Prince Philip, the husband of Queen Elizabeth II, has passed away at age 99 in a statement released from Buckingham Palace. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're right back with the details to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Prince Philip, Queen Elizabeth II's husband, has passed away at age 99 in a statement released from Buckingham Palace. The statement issued by the palace just after midday spoke about the Queen's deep sorrow following the death at Windsor Castle on Friday morning. The Duke of Edinburgh, the longest-serving royal consort in the British history, was at the Queen's side for more than 6 decades of reign. Boris Johnson said he inspired the lives of countless young people. It is with great sorrow that Her Majesty the Queen announced the death of her beloved husband, the palace said. The royal family joined many around the world in mourning his loss, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to express our condolences to the royal family during this difficult time, and we'll continue to just track this story and provide you with the latest report to come on this. Earlier today, the flag at Buckingham Palace was lowered to half-mast, and a notice was posted on the gates to mark the passing of the prince. People placed floral tributes outside the palace while hundreds visited Windsor Castle to pay their respect. However, the government have urged the public not to gather or leave tribute at the royal residence amidst the coronavirus pandemic. Well, we'll continue to extract this story and provide you with the latest report to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV. Peace out and bless.